Alright, so this is an LG washer, and stuck at home here, and no repairman wants to come out, and it just broke down. This is a power failure came up on it, and the power button, when I was pushing it, I heard like a sparking sound inside here. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to fix this myself. Why not? All I gotta do is, how hard can it be, right? Okay, so I took off this panel. I'm not sure if you can see it, but right here, see how it's black? Right in here. And if you look at the back of this, see how it's black right there too? And you smell it, it smells like burnt electronics. So it's this power computer thing, which is probably like 200 bucks to replace. So far we've diagnosed it. Let's hope we can put it back together. Now that I got this out, you can see the culprit. Right there. That section of the panel blew out. I don't know what that is. But there's no repairing that. That's way above my pay grade. All I gotta do is replace this whole board. Because who knows how much more is fried. See, it's all siliconed in all the way around. But look at all the wires I had to unplug. Fortunately, they're all color coded. So you shouldn't have much problems. See, you got the plugs down there. Yellow, blue, black, white. And you go over here, you got yellow, blue, black, white. You know, it's just a puzzle. But it's getting it back into the little ports. You know, they all come in like from these ports like this, and here, and here, and here on the sides. So which ones go where? But they've been sitting that way for so long, I bet you they'll go back. Oh, easy. And there's the rest of like all this unit here. This whole thing here has to flip back over, and it comes in here. So that's where your soap and your bleach and hot water, cold water all come in through here. And then this whole unit here, whatever this is, connects back up in here, and then this connects into the bottom of this right here. Connects into the bottom of this.